Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord Buds 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage equalizer. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone, and now go to HeyMelody app. Go to Soundmaster Equalizer and select between Balanced, Bold, Serenade and Bass. And next you can change Bass Wave mode and adjust it. Also you can add equalizer that you create. Then you can edit equalizers. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.